In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make a game pass on Roblox mobile. So first things first, head over to the browser and make sure you already log in to Roblox and make sure you search for create.roblox.com, and now go ahead and tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and choose the dashboard. You just tap on your place. Now tap on the three lines in the upper left corner and choose associated items and go to passes and just tap on create a pass. And here what we need to do is just provide a name and go to description and just tap on create a pass. Now once already been created, go ahead and now go back and tap on this pass, and once we're on the dashboard, go ahead and tap on the three lines in the top left corner and choose the sales. And here what we need to do is just provide a price on the Roblox, and what we need to do is enable the item for sale. Just provide a price. Now you can see the creator earnings and you can see the conversion. And finally, tap on save changes. And that's all for now folks. Thanks for watching.